Hello, everybody. Dating and development here. If you know who I am, you know who I am. If you don't know who I am, now you know. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video. Hope we're all keeping well today. In Ireland, it's pretty miserable where I am. Rainy, cloudy, not very good. Before we get started, we have a word from today's sponsor.
And let me see what you have. No!
Oh my God.
Thank you for that. Now, this video is going to be hella different, mainly because it's in PowerPoint again, yet this was a PowerPoint I recorded for a course I was working on, but the course did not get accepted due to sexual information in some PowerPoints I had presented for this course. Anyways, it's out of my control, so I present to you the takeaway lecture I was working on. I hope you enjoy. Okay, now we're going to discuss the takeaway, but first of all, let's think of this scenario. You are at a dealership to buy a car and you spot one that you love. The shape is perfect, it looks like it runs well. The interior has leather seats. You can connect your phone to the radio system. The seats warm up, the steering wheel feels smooth. The car smells great, and even better still, it's 5 years old, so it shouldn't be that expensive. You ask the salesman how much it costs. His reply, "Oh, this bad boy costs €15,000. You are shocked and say out to him, "Wow, this car is at least €8,500, and not €1 more. Thank you for your time." You leave the dealership annoyed. Over the next few days, you continue car shopping, and you receive a call. "Hey, it's Jack, the car salesman from the dealership that you're at the other day. Listen, I've been thinking. You were right about the car. No one else has viewed it, and I'm willing to give it to you for €8,500. So what do you say?" So, your activity for now is, after reading this story, pause the video and take 1 to 2 minutes to wonder, what do you think the takeaway is? So what is the takeaway? The takeaway can be defined as this. When you make an offer that someone does not agree with and offers you something else, you withdraw your offer and walk away. In negotiation, this is one of the most powerful tactics that you can use. But how do you use it on women? Well, you'll be finding out shortly. So how do you use the takeaway when it comes to women? Well, you want to make a date with a woman you are interested in. You ask her out on a date using the DTP, but instead of her saying, "Oh yeah, great, I'm around then," you get this reply. Well, I have things to do on Friday, so I won't know until the evening." It's a very wishy-washy response. Are you getting a definitive answer from her? Absolutely not. So what do? You withdraw your offer, and this is what you reply to her with. "I see that your schedule is not solid. Let me know when it clears up. Talk to you then." Once this is done, walk away and do not reply to her. The ball is in her court to get back to you. You have to keep in mind, when you do the takeaway, you will get 4 responses from what I've experienced. She will say, "Oh no, it's good. Actually, I know my schedule for Friday, and I am free at 7:30 p.m. Or 2, she gives you a counter offer saying, "My schedule is busy Friday, but I'm free Saturday after 6 p.m. If you get a counter offer, it still shows that she is interested and wants to see you, so use the DTP to set up a date. 3, you will hear back from her a week or 2 depending on the level of her interest. If she has a high level of interest, she will get back in contact. But if not, it's the 4th response. You won't hear back from her at all, and you've saved yourself some money on a date." So when it comes to the takeaway, what instances should I use the takeaway? So, women who give you wishy-washy answers like, On Friday, I'm busy doing my mother's hair, and then I have to make my mother her dinner too. My schedule is hectic. Women who ask you, call back to confirm. Do not call back to confirm, because if you do, chances are she will cancel on you. If she does say this phrase, reply with, look, I am a man of my word. When I say I'll take you out, I mean it. I'm a busy man, and your schedule seems a bit hectic this Friday. When things clear up, let me know. Talk to you then. And you walk away. Ball's in her court. If you get, I'll see, or I'll let you know, when you get these phrases, it shows that you aren't a priority to her, or that you have a lot of time on your hands. You withdraw the offer when you make it to her. Women who are attention seekers. They'll make the promise of giving you a date, but never will. When you ask her out and get, oh, we will, but not this week, I'm busy. And this response happens continuously, withdraw your offer. When she messages you again, ask her out again. If you get the same response, rinse and repeat. But walk away for good if it's consistent and you don't get anywhere. Well, I hope you learned something valuable from those few PowerPoint presentations I presented. If you found any value in this video, please give it a like, please subscribe, please share all the cheesy stuff, please and thank you. And that's all the time I have for today. So take care, God bless, stay safe, be better, be great, and always go for more. Until next time.